What's good, YouTube? This your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. Welcome back. It's been a crazy year last year. Had a lot of ups and downs and recent events of people passing away and stuff like that. My wife passed away and some other stuff that happened. And I do appreciate everyone who hit me up, who contacted me, even if it was off of social media or whatever. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for real. And I just want to say welcome back. It's a new year. Hope y'all like the intro. Right now, what I am going to be doing is starting on a person's order, which is going to be for their salon. And I'll be doing hats as well as t-shirts. The t-shirts won't be embroidered, but the hats will. So the t-shirts will be vinyl. So I'll be just showing a couple of steps of that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So the hat just got done. This is the final result. And what I am going to do is go ahead and cut all of those jump stitches. I digitized this part, but for this I just found the font and just let the machine do the rest. So this is the final result. Like I said, came out great, looks clean. I'm going to be doing 4 more of these, and then I'm going to be doing 2 t-shirts, which are going to be vinyl. So stay tuned for that. And as always, if you're still here watching, can you do me a huge favor and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, as well as thumbs up the video. It is greatly appreciated and definitely helps out the channel a lot. And once again, if I haven't said it before, thank you guys for your support. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for giving me feedback as well. Whether it be on YouTube and or Instagram, and I'm glad I can help everyone out. I'm still learning every single day, as well as teaching. So thank you guys again, and let's continue with the video. So that pretty much sums up the whole video. Thank you everyone for sticking around and watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. I appreciate everyone's opinion as well. And as always, this is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. Stay blessed and continue to strive for greatness. And I'm out. Peace.